The past perfect continuous tense is a unique grammatical construction that allows us to express ongoing actions that occurred in the past, in the context of music. This tense can be found in song lyrics where the artist describes a continuous or ongoing situation that was taking place in the past. This tense adds depth and complexity to the storytelling aspect of music, as it helps convey a sense of duration and continuity, and LT, BR and GT, and LT, BR and GT. One iconic example of the past perfect continuous tense in music can be found in the classic song, "I've Been Working on the Railroad." This folk song describes the narrator's ongoing efforts to work on the railroad, emphasizing the continuous nature of the action with the use of the past perfect continuous tense in the lyrics. The line, "I've been working on the railroad all the live long day," perfectly illustrates how this tense can create a vivid picture of a repetitive and ongoing task, and LT, BR and GT, and LT, BR and GT. Another example of the past perfect continuous tense in music can be seen in the song, "I've Been Loving You" by Otis Redding. In this soulful ballad, the narrator expresses their enduring love for someone by using the past perfect continuous tense in the chorus, "I've been loving you. Too long to stop now." This construction emphasizes the length and duration of the narrator's love, adding a sense of depth and intensity to the emotional content of the song, and LT, BR and GT, and LT, BR and GT. The past perfect continuous tense can also be found in more contemporary music, such as in Ed Sheeran's hit song, "Shape of You." In the lyrics, Sheeran sings, "I've been in love with the shape of you," using the past perfect continuous tense to convey the ongoing nature of his attraction to the object of his affection. This use of the tense adds a sense of consistency and persistence to the narrator's feelings, enhancing the emotional impact of the song, and LT, BR and GT, and LT, BR and GT overall. The past perfect continuous tense in music helps create a sense of continuity, duration, and ongoing action by analyzing songs that use this tense effectively. Students can gain a deeper understanding of how grammar can be used to enhance storytelling and emotional expression in music through the power of the past perfect continuous tense. Songwriters can create vivid and engaging narratives that resonate with listeners on a profound level.